Have you ever thought, what is the actual purpose of your website? You see, most people's websites are the equivalent of a brochure, and you know where most brochures end up, don't you? Yes, in the bin. You've spent a fair amount of money on your website, yet it's not much more than an expensive phone book page, somewhere for someone to look up your phone number. Please tell me you have your phone number clearly visible. Your website should inspire visitors to pick up the phone and call you. Your site should also be friendly to Google, so Google will send you lots of prospects. We can advise and help you with that too. We have hundreds of happy clients that trust us to look after their websites, to get their telephones calling, and to actually sell their products straight from their web pages. It's not just about phone calls. What about selling products and taking credit card orders straight from your site? We can do that for you too. If you want your site to stand out, then ask us to create a cartoon video for you, just like this one. They really are good value for money, and your conversion rates will soar. To get started now, pick up the phone and turn your costly website into a lead-generating cash cow.